Hey guys, it's Shelby. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be bedazzling a passport holder. I do like to travel, and I have this old passport holder that I really liked, mainly because it's handy. Like the passport goes in here, and then it's got like places for your credit card and ID and stuff, so it's like essentially a wallet. But it's like super dinged up. You can see it's had its moments of glory, and I don't know, it just needs a facelift. So we're going to be doing that. I got a brand new tube of E6000 that I'm going to be applying my gemstones with. And then I have different sizes of just multicolored gems. And then I've got these strips of gems, which are similar to the ones I usually use, but these kind of reflect more colors. Then I have the ones I usually use, and these are just clear. And then I've got these. I don't think I'm going to use these because they're way smaller than the rest of what I'm putting on there, but I have these just in case. And I'm going to change the camera angle and we'll get started. Please do like and subscribe if you like the video and want to see more. Thanks. Okay, so I basically just sorted my gems by color. I think that'll make it a little bit easier, and then open these strip gems. These are the self-adhesive ones, but I'm still going to glue them down. Oh, you can kind of see the different colors. I'm still going to glue them down because I don't think the adhesion will hold. I have my kind of dented passport holder, and so basically what I'm going to do is just start with putting kind of a line of glue here. And then I'm going to take my big gems, and I want one of these. Make sure it's kind of even. I think this angle's better for crafts. Let me know if it's not. It's still a little awkward to like be reaching around the camera, but I have it set up so that I think you can see. So I think that's better. And I do still really like blue, so I'm going to kind of invert the passport holder. Like right now it's blue with a silver S. I'm basically going to make it a blue S, and then like silver, and then some other colors too, but like mainly like the blue S. So I'm thinking I'll use the other colors all around it, but then like the only blue on here will be the initial. I'll do them in the same order just for the sake of symmetry. I like these little strip gems. I mean, you still have to like glue them down or they don't really hold very well, but they're really handy as far as like putting a bunch down at once. I'll kind of mobile a little bit. And basically there's no rhyme or reason for how I'm placing these. I just don't want two of the same color near each other, and I'm trying not to use blue because the blue is on the S, which only actually leaves me with like 4 other colors. I have the clear ones, but since I'm doing the clear on the outside, I don't really want to use those. So like, I don't know if I can get them where 2 aren't touching, but then that'll start to look like a pattern, like the blue has 2 touching and it's clearly a pattern, so we'll see how that works. I don't know if I have enough variety in the gems. Oh, that's so cute. I love that. Okay, now I'm going to go in and kind of fill in the rest of it. In case you can't tell, I want this one to be like ridiculously bedazzled gems amazingness. I'm gonna use these after all. Alright guys, so it still needs to dry, but this is it. It's bright, it's fun, it's colorful, it's a little bit chaotic. It's exactly what it feels like to travel. I'll link everything you need down in the description along with my socials. Please give the video a thumbs up if you did like it, and subscribe if you'd like to see more DIYs and crafts. And I'll see you soon. Bye.